What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Today's video is going to be about the snipping tool. For anyone who doesn't know what the snipping tool is, it almost acts as a screenshot tool. So let's just hop right into it. What you want to do is you want to go into the search bar here at the bottom and type in snip. And snipping tool comes up as the first option. Click on that. So here's the snipping tool window. All you're going to do is click on new. And your background goes gray and you have this almost like a plus sign cursor. If you hold your mouse in to anywhere on the screen, you get a big window. And you can make it, big, small, whatever you want to do to screenshot something. So if I wanted to screenshot or capture this background, I would just hold my mouse in and enlarge this screen. Once that's done, I'm going to let go, and it basically screenshotted that image. Now if you wanted to save this, you would hit File, click on Save As. Since it's a picture, we want to save it in our picture folder. I reviewed this in one of my older videos. Click on the picture folder so it's highlighted, and name your picture whatever you want. I'll just do night. Then hit save. Now you can screenshot anything. You can screenshot anything that you want to. You can do anything on the desktop, anything on the web. If you want to screenshot a certain paragraph off an article, that's how you would do it. So that's a quick rundown of the snipping tool. So that pretty much covers it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.